Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can edit video for the new trending video, She Why You Ignore Me. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Capcut app and then select the image that you want to use. And then add animation to the image. After that, we need to add a text to the image. You can see at the bottom this text icon. Just tap on that to add a text. And then just enter She Why You Ignore Me. You can choose any font that you want. You can also add effects to the text. Now to the second clip, we need to add a transition. After that, we need to add a filter to the video. For example, for me, I want to make it black and white. So from the filter option, I want to choose black and white. For the last clip, I want to add a transition. For this, I choose shake transition. Now the next thing is to choose also a filter for this clip. And I want to also use black and white. Tap again on the filter and then choose again black and white. Now the last thing that you want to do is to add audio or sound for the video. So I just search for Punjabi song and here are the options that you can choose from. I chose the first option and then add this to my video. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.